This video is for Drew. Drew, this video is made for you because this is the number one mistake that you can make. The number one mistake that you can make that can cost you your barbering career is choosing the wrong mentor, listening to the wrong person. And there are thousands of barbers that make this mistake, that are currently making this mistake, and they don't know how much it's hurting them. There are so many barbers that don't see barbering as the six-figure opportunity that I know that it is. And I don't know it because of some theory. I know it because of results. Results that I'm going to show you in this video, just the proof. I made a post on Instagram, sharing some of the results that I've gotten. And I shared it with my mentor, Basio. And I want to read you some of the comments that I got off of that video. So this random guy comments and he says, "This is all cap. Stop trying to take advantage of new barbers." So I comment back and I say, yo, what proof would you need to see to believe that this is possible in barbering? Somebody else comments, Drew comments. You commented, Drew, and you asked a really good question. Drew was like, hey man, on an honest note, how is this physically possible, LOL? Is it quantity over quality? Drew, that's a fair question. The truth doesn't mind being questioned. That's a great question. Then other goofy dude comments back and he says, look at the cuts on his page and check his bookings. You can book him any time of the week. Him doing $19,000 at $50 a cut, which by the way he charges less, would take him doing over 23 haircuts a day because he only works 4 days a week. LOL. Don't fall for this fake coaching stuff. I'm surprised Basio stooping to this level. Crazy. Then, this is the part that's crazy. The part that's crazy is that this is what you said, Drew. You said, I appreciate you, bro. Talking to the other goofy dude. This is what makes me feel better about the money I make. I love your style, homie. Been following you since barber school. And this is why I have to make this video for you, Drew. Because there's a bunch of lies that you believe. And you're not the only barber that believes these lies. What's a mentor? First of all, let's start with that. What's a mentor? How I see a mentor is essentially like a person that I'm gonna humble myself to listen to this person. I'm gonna get some guidance, I'm gonna get some game, I'm gonna get some direction from this person. Therefore, that person is my mentor, and I have to humble myself to be able to listen to that person. Do you choose somebody as a mentor? Do you listen to somebody's advice because you like them? Because they make you feel better? They make you feel better about the money that you make? Like, do you wanna feel better or do you wanna change your life for the better? You said, oh man, thank you. This really helps me feel better with where I'm at in life. Like, bruh, what about growth? This makes me feel better about the money that I make. I don't have to feel weird about this. Like, that's not what we want to do. That's not what you want to say. Sometimes barbers will choose a mentor because they like them, or because their personality, or because they have some cool haircuts, or because they make you feel better. That is not how we choose a mentor. That is not how I chose my mentor. We need to be super picky over the people that we listen to, because the people that we listen to, the mentors that we choose, they help us to see the world differently. They help us to hold ourselves to a standard, to tell us how to attack the opportunities that we have in life. What skills do we need to develop? Where are we messing up? Where can we be better? That is what a mentor is going to help us do. And that's why we need to be so picky over the actual people that we listen to. Because there's so many people that you shouldn't listen to. There's so many people that don't have a clue of what they're talking about. And I'm gonna show you the proof. I'm gonna show you the results, how that random goofy dude on the internet, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He's lost. Drew, how do you choose a mentor, Drew? I'm gonna tell you how I chose my mentor. Check me out. I chose my mentor by judging him. I judged him. I judged Basio, and I said, you know what, Basio? I really like the results that you have. And then I found out that Basio not only was able to actually get those results himself, but he actually goes ahead and helps other people get those results. So it's not just a one-trick pony. He knows how to do it, but he also knows how to teach it. It's one thing to know how to do something, how to do a nice haircut, and it's a whole different skill to know how to break a haircut down for somebody else to understand. Let me ask you this, Drew. The other dude in the comment section, the goofy guy. Let me ask you a question. Has he systemized six-figure barbering? Has he hit six figures? I don't know. I don't think so, because he doesn't think highly of an industry that he's committed his career to. He could choose any industry, and he's chose barbering, but he doesn't think highly enough of barbering, because apparently he doesn't think that results like mine are possible. He thinks this is all cap. He thinks it's all a lie. Why would you listen to somebody that doesn't even think highly of the industry that they're in? That's not the person that I want to listen to. That's not the person I want to take business advice from. You know what? Let's just get into the proof. I'm going to show you guys my tracking sheet. I'm going to show you guys my P&Ls. P&Ls is a profit and loss statement. Those are pulled from bank accounts. You cannot just be out here faking P&Ls. And I'm gonna actually show you guys some tax returns to see if I'm really lying or not. So first thing, 2024, this year, January to August, not even including September, $152,000 from January to August. I've already hit six figures and I still have September, October, November, and December. 4 months I still have, and I've already hit six figures, $150,000. And a profit and loss is pulled from your bank statements. My accountant makes this. I have nothing to do with this. Next one, the tracking sheet, where I actually go ahead and track my income. The first month, January, 16,000. The second month, February, 17,000. The third month, March, 20,000. April, the fourth month of the year, 19,000. May, 17,000. June, 18,000. July, 18,000. August, 20,000. Sneak peek into September, by the time I'm making this video, 13,000. You know what? That's not enough. Let's go to some tax returns, because apparently I'm committing tax fraud out here. This is crazy. 2023, federal income tax summary. Total income, $170,000. My second year being a licensed barber. 2022, federal income tax summary, $124,000. My first year being a licensed barber. Oh wait, here's a picture of the investment property that I bought last year. 2 years and 9 months into being a licensed barber, and I've made $477,000. I have opened up my first ever barbershop, a franchise location of Headlines, and I bought a rental property. What are we talking about here? And I'm 23 years old. Thank God. But unfortunately, there is an army of brainwashed barbers that do not believe that results like this are achievable for them. And that breaks my heart. It breaks my heart because I work freaking hard, and I know that it's possible for people that are willing to work hard. Do I work hard? Yes, I do. But yo, this is worth it. It is worth every hour of work that I put into it. Bro, it upsets me so much when you have some goofy dude on the internet speak his limiting beliefs onto another young, impressionable barber just because you weren't able to achieve. There are so many barbers that are lost, and they're lost because they don't have the right mentor. That's why our industry is filled with lackluster barbers that aren't fulfilled at their job, that aren't providing financially for their family the way that they could be if they had the right mentor. Because barber school doesn't prepare you for this industry in the way that it could. And it's because we choose the wrong people to listen to. And yet, what you do is you actually go ahead and you hold on to the same beliefs, the same limiting beliefs. You hold on to them. You don't want to let go. You want to defend them with all your stupid reasons. You want to defend those beliefs, the same beliefs that are holding you back from actually going to the next level. And truthfully, I don't really think you want to believe what you say you believe. You may say that I'm capping. You may say that this is a lie. You may say that this program or whatever is a scam, but you don't really want to believe that. And I'm going to tell you why. You don't want to believe what you say you believe, because if you understood what that belief cost you, you would know that it's too expensive. That belief is going to cost you so much more than what you gain from holding on to it. You're selling yourself such a lie, and it's a bad deal. A belief like that, not thinking that the career that you're in, not thinking that barbering is a six-figure opportunity, that will cost you a career of mediocrity, a career of complacency. One day, bro, you might be on your deathbed and be like, man, what if I took that barbering thing seriously? What if those six-figure barbers were actually right? What if I just tried it out just for a year? That's the exact commitment that I made to myself. I said, I'm gonna give barbering 5 years. I'm gonna give it my all for 5 years. And if it doesn't work, it's okay. I'll still be young. I can try something else. It didn't even take me 5 years, guys. 2 years and 9 months. This is where I'm at. Is it hard work? Yes, it's hard work. Have I worked 6 days, sometimes 7 days a week, my whole career? 100%, I've worked 6 days my whole career. Have I sacrificed time with my family? Yes. Have I sacrificed time with my wife? Yes, 100%. I'm not gonna hold that back. But think about what I'm gonna be able to do for my family. How I'm gonna be able to provide for my family right now, the foundation that I'm setting up in my household. Think about the character that I'm building through these days with these super, super long hours. Think about that. There's an amazing book, and everybody should read it. And in that book, it promises you that in all labor there is profit. In all work there is profit. More than just some financial profit. Think about the character that you develop from working your tail off. I don't know why so many people are scared of hard work. Hard work works on you. It builds you into a better person. Drew, I want to share some gems with you that really have changed my life. And I know that this video might come off a little bit harsh, but I feel like sometimes tough love is still love. And I feel like sometimes to get your point across, you might have to raise your voice a little bit. Find a great mentor, Drew. Doesn't have to be me. Doesn't have to be Basio. Find a great mentor. Find a great mentor. Understand that behavior follows belief. What you believe about your opportunity will affect how you treat your opportunity. If you do not see barbering as a six-figure opportunity, you will not treat it like a six-figure opportunity. The last gem, Drew, hope you listen to this one. Don't listen to people you don't want to be like. Simple as that. Even if I'm one of those people and you say, you know what, Jordan, I don't want to work that much. Or I don't want to do this, or I don't want that, I don't want that. Whatever it is. You don't even have to work as much as I do to make six figures, but don't listen to people you don't want to be like. That goofy guy on the internet, I don't want to be like him. I can't listen to him, Drew. I just can't. The dreams I have are big. I gotta listen to people that have big dreams too, and they're actually going out there and getting it. Drew, I hope this video reaches you. I hope this video impacts you. And if you're a barber and you like this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Peace.